In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared mailbox in Outlook. If you need access to a shared mailbox for team communication, customer support, or a department inbox, Outlook makes it fairly simple to add. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow, and I'll also point out what you should expect to see along the way. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This will take you into the Account Management area, where Outlook stores your mailbox and profile settings. From there, click Account Settings. A small menu will appear, and you'll want to click Account Settings again. This opens the main settings window for your email account. In this window, make sure you're on the Email tab, since that's where your current Outlook account is listed. Next, select your email account if it is not already highlighted, and then click Change. This opens the settings for that specific account. You're now getting closer to the area where shared mailboxes can be added. In the Account Settings screen, click More Settings. A new window will open with several tabs across the top. Choose the Advanced tab, since this is where additional mailboxes can be attached to your Outlook profile. Under the Advanced tab, click Add. Outlook will then ask you to enter the email address or the name of the shared mailbox you want to add. Type in the shared mailbox information carefully, then click OK to confirm. Make sure the name or address is entered correctly, because even a small typo can prevent Outlook from finding the mailbox. After that, click Apply to save the change. This tells Outlook to update your account settings with the shared mailbox you just added. Once the settings are applied, refresh Outlook. In some cases, Outlook may update right away, and in other cases, you may need to close and reopen the program for the changes to fully appear. After Outlook refreshes, you should see a new shared mailbox section in your folder list. If the mailbox doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and check again. Sometimes Outlook takes a little time to sync. Also, keep in mind that you usually need the correct permissions before a shared mailbox can be added successfully. And that's it. Once the mailbox appears, you'll be able to open it directly from Outlook and start using it alongside your main email account.